Hello traders, welcome to episode 197. I think I might have screwed that up today. I don't even know what episode it is anymore. Of TA with me and Trey. You're here, so I'm grateful. All right, because you know, people start caring less and less about crypto with the volume drying up. 52-week lows on volume, just continuously just getting worse and worse. We can't really seem to do much. Okay, breaking resistance points. There's no demand. So, you know, we just had this short uptrend from, you know, your lowest low of 6,200 all the way up to 6,541. And since then we've dropped, you know, over $100, and we've just fallen out of this channel that we have plotted. Not holding anymore. You know, we're out of it, but we're holding both the 50 and the 200 MA, kind of cracking this support here right in the middle of all this chop. So yeah, man, just real exciting stuff for a Bitcoin. Like talking about the day stream, what do you want? You know, high on price, higher high on price, highest high on price, third top, triple MACD bearish divergence, and then just standard RSI bearish divergence, impending price action reversal to the downside, and here you are. Too easy, right? Too easy to say that was the case, right? We plot it, we warn you, we say, hey, if we were to move to the upside, we would probably break down first before running up again, okay? A lot of what I'm saying is the same from the day stream, because Bitcoin hasn't really done anything since then, okay? So still outside the equidistant channel, but, you know, looking at the daily, much more significant time scale, you can clearly see, what do? We touched this downsloping resistance, very, very powerful, and broke down, right? Going to the daily. Here you are. Okay, so you've got touch point, you know, anchor point really one here. You can see it touches February 18th. And you actually have another touch point January 28th, and that lines up perfectly with your real first anchor point, May 4th. And your second anchor point was July 23rd, with, you know, the third anchor point just being down at March 31st, right? As you can see, that beautiful downsloping resistance has been respected. Again, we failed to break it, couldn't do it, and we ended the day today, or yesterday, really, for that matter, with a bearish engulfing candle, very small, lack of volatility, just, you know, 1, 2, 3. Like, you know, probably a week or a little more than a week of some nice, you know, a nice little run. But look at the run in the grand scheme of things. It's nothing. Dropping a bucket, okay? So your price contraction still very, very real. All right. So yeah, man, bearish engulfing candle. We could easily run down to 63.05 if we wanted to. We could. I mean, I don't like a bearish engulfing candle on the daily's significant enough to say that we very well could see 6,300. If we were to touch this trend line again and maybe break the upside and break out, maybe. All right, but we still got a little bit more time to see when the big move comes. All right, it's gonna be fast when it does come. All right, but falling wedge or descending triangle, whichever way you want to look at it, doesn't matter. All we know is we've got lower highs, and now since June we have higher lows. All right, so price contraction's real. That's it, man. Across the markets, you've got Ripple that has hit that heart line of our equidistant channel and broke down. We had bearish divergence up here. Yep, reason to believe we would pull back, and we did. Okay, we're down a lot. We're down like 7 cents since that move. Top right of your screen is Litecoin, impulse down, sloping consolidation, and stalling out at that heart line of our downsloping channel. Top left is Ethereum. Ethereum's upsloping channel, and can't break that 25% trend line of the equidistant channel. And then the bottom left is Bitcoin Cash, which was Kang. It broke out of its downsloping channel. It had already broken and stayed out of a channel it had been in for months. Okay, so good for Bitcoin Cash doing really what it should have done on a breakout. It just was delayed, and then we ran up, hit the 1272 with bearish divergence, and look, we've pulled back a lot and could continue pulling back. All right, that's it. That is it around the market. Wow, I don't know what's wrong with Dude, it's weird. Look, watch when I do it. Boom, it's fixed now. It just bugs out. I don't know why. Cool. What's up, Adism, man? Bull or bear? Price contraction. Inherently neutral. Hard to say, man. Hard to say. What's up, Mr. Selecki? Vincent Wilson. Amit. Logo Dinosaur. Man. Vincent, your like number 20,000. Is this real? Do I have 20,000 likes on this channel now? That's a lot, dude. If so, holy crap. So, but Denim Labels, JD, Philip Man, Phil Sinchera. Yeah, rest in peace, Activision. Yeah, man, just got slaughtered. So, about Aaron M, Anthony Rosano. He went to the dentist today, got all his teeth fixed. Congratulations, man. Congratulations. Is there any kind of dinosaur dentist joke? Maybe. Logo Dinosaur, I like it. Zachary, happy hit 3K. Well, man, I appreciate that, dude. We did it. Yeah, we did it. Now we're at 3,016 subs. So, Mr. Kanatomo, Ogsd, glad you're here. Brian Blickle. Yeah, Morning Roku. We looked at it in the day stream. It's just gross, man. Threadripper Fund reallocated to CGI. Yeah, Zachary, man, totally. What's up, Luke Jones? Tom Crypto Newbie, or Titan Tom, I believe, right? Hello, Chrisiden coming in from Cali. Matt, Meow Mix, indeed. Hello, Princess Riley. Get your Irwin coffee. Denim Labels, that's right, man. Irwin coffee. I got my coffee too early, so now I'm almost out of coffee, and I'm kind of sad. All right. I was doing the Patreon pregame. Tonight is patron night. Every Thursday night is patron night, so could expect low numbers because if people know about it, they're not going to get their free coin requests immediately. So whatever. So yeah, we got a nice list of those coins to look at. All right. So about Native Crypto. Glad you love the TA, man. It's all good, dude. Thank you for showing your support, Native Crypto, man. You are schmammered to be back in 10. All right, Matt. Be careful, man. Be careful. What's up, Kang Logan? Jesus Chomps. So is Web, and so on YouTube. Knock, knock. Who's there? Interrupting. Jesus Chomps. Boom. Sully's Web. Hit the punchline perfectly. How's XRP now? Cram Casti. We're going to take a look at it in just a moment, alright? I'm just getting through chat. Not too much chat tonight. Yeah, really, bearish divergence on almost any chart you look at. Yep. In crypto, for sure. What's up, Coach K? Ultra Instinct Jesus, man. 589, Matt. That's right. Hey, Brian Griffin. Sahib, thanks for being here. Tough times, but soon it will be worth it. Yeah, man. Well, you know, these times, dude, it's these are the times to invest in yourself to get better every day. So when the good times roll around, you'll know how to handle them. Okay, you'll understand it all, right? So about Ruby Lively. Hey, Jordan G. Yeah, sure did. Believe me, it was one of the most lackluster I don't know, milestones I've ever hit this time around. Okay. It's like the third time I've hit 3,000 subs. Every time I say bearish divergence, y'all drink. Prepare to get wrecked. Jeff says his condolences to Star Wars Worlds and his new company, Activision Blizzard. It sounds like they let him lead the guidance conference call. Get wrecked, dude. Jeff, man. Hey, Crypto Kiwi, man. Almost through chat, okay? Hello, Putsky. To Dirt. Hello? Oh, I can put, I think Jordan G asked for something too. Hold on, crap. Go with DGB, and then, I'm gonna put these on the list just in case I get through. I will get through the Patreon stuff, but I don't know how I'm gonna feel towards the end of the show, right? You just never know. Okay. Thanks, APDUP, man. Hello, Miro. What happening here? The Dirt. We're doing chart analysis. Just getting through chat. I engage heavily with this community. We have a very high qualitative relationship, not quantitative. Okay. ENJ, Bitcoin short. Yeah, man. I'm glad to hear that you're being a king. What's up, Atlanta Cap? He's trying his future Kings blend tomorrow. Man, it's awesome, dude. It's very good. Okay, Bitcoin can't break this resistance. Bearish engulfing candle today sucks. Volume sucks. Maybe we could see 6,300 before we break the upside if we are to. Okay. What is it? All right. Let's go to Ethereum. And then we'll go to Ripple, and then we'll get on with the show. Okay, here's your Ethereum. Oh my God, nasty bearish downtrend. Been in it all year. Okay, all year, and now you have this upsloping price action. Whatever, man. Right? Whatever. You broke out of the falling wedge, and you are not really. Look, you attempted to rally to run, but you failed. You hit common retraces. Right? And then you went sideways, broke down, made a higher low than previous low. You're still making higher lows, but you're still not making higher highs than your previous highs at all. Not even coming close. Can't break anything. There's just no demand right now. Like none. So this thing's pretty much just waiting for Bitcoin. Okay, that's all Ethereum's doing. Waiting for Bitcoin in a downtrend. Broke the 75% trend line of the equidistant channel, right? First time we've done that. For real. When we can sustain prices above it. But whatever, man. It's all volumes low. So that's it, man, on Ethereum. Great. Falling wedge is still in play, but will we hit our targets between 298 and 380? I don't know, man. Bitcoin dumps? No, not even close, man. Not even close. Okay, so here we are with the XRP. Daily chart. Just looking at it again. Down 7 channel. We broke out of it. And now we've created a new uptrend, right? Beautiful amount of respect. You did, in fact, have a very, very ever so slight bullish divergence on the MACD. Okay, yeah. Even here, you have it. Okay. Low, lowest low. Lower levels of negative momentum. Awesome. So, from there, we broke the upside, but we're hitting that heart line multiple times. We can't break it, right? So, I guess we get the 4 hour to give it a better scope because people actually care about this. No one even cares about whatever. No one cares about Ethereum. So I've got my shorter term fibs. They're probably confusing people, but whatever. So from a swing low to swing high, we have hit that 382, and we have bounced from 382. Interesting. Figure we could see, we could go as low as 45 cents, and it really wouldn't be that weird. Wouldn't be that weird. Okay, so we are reversing our price action right here. Bullish engulfing candle just happened 30 minutes ago, right? So bullish engulfing candle, but right now just stalling. Volume's low, but a nice move up. Look at the volume elevation. Just making standard retrace now. That's all you're doing. Okay. And if you use the minor swing low to swing high, where are we at? Okay. You get that confluence right there, right? Using different swing lows, same swing high, you get the 382 and the 50% retrace, and you bounce right there. So nice confluence. That confluence zone. Notice how it almost touches where everywhere else is pretty much layered out. So, okay. I don't know. I don't think you're going to make a higher high. You'll probably make a lower high somewhere and then break down again. Eventually, just go down sloping, maybe some consolidation, maybe a little channel Maybe we can touch this again and run up and just keep on going methodically. That'd be wonderful. Way better than a stupid pump and dump, right? So let's keep it going, man. Let's stay above this 25% trend line of the equidistant channel, and everything else will work out, right? We'll just keep on going. Let's do that, man. Upsloping price action now, despite anything you believe about this sell-off here that lasted about a month or more. Great. Okay. Let's head on to M. Lottie. He had a request. All right. SRN to BTC. Here you go, man. What do we do? We're in a beautiful downtrend. We came up, false breakout of the downtrend. Why? Look, man, I see this happen where you'll get this bearish divergence and it's just so apparent, so evident, and then like you'll run up one more time and then you'll break down. Okay. Look what we did. We broke down, couldn't break that 886. Look, swing high to swing low. We couldn't break the 886. We pulled back, and now what do? We have rallied, we've attempted to rally, and we have made a lower high than your previous high. Hey Derek, man, thanks for the 420 contribution. Much love, dude. I don't know why it's doing that. I don't know why it's echoing. I can't figure it out. There's like no reason why it should be echoing like that. Literally none, dude. I am just kind of dumbfounded by it. BAT and ENJ. Oh yeah. BAT and ENJ. Oh, and Julia had a request too. She gave me. Almost forgot about that. She wanted ENJ, so I'll get that on the list for her. And that's for you too, Derek, man. And then we'll put BAT below that, but Derek, man, we'll get to it. Just hang tight, man. Okay, hang tight. Derek, sweet. So yeah, maybe forming, you know, consolidation, or it might be forming a flag. It doesn't look like it really, does it? It's very, very steep, and your rally here was so terrible. I know you're above the 20 MA. That's awesome, very good, but I don't know, man. This is insanely serious resistance, right? To break that would be very tough after such a nice move like that. Okay, be very tough. You got a higher chance of breaking down than up at this point. But hey, man, I'll just tell you where we are now. These are areas where a trader that got in down here would be exiting or moving their stops up. And I mean, like, okay, just that's it, because you're just at a high risk area now, and there's a much greater chance for a break to the downside than upside, because we've been in this channel, dude, since like March, early March. So I don't want you to miss the windfall, but that's why one would move their stops up. But that's it. We were unable to break the downside resistance. That's it. All right, Lottie, man, there you go, dude. Look at those. Thanks, Vincent, man. Yeah, the dirt, man, in the right place, man. What happened, Mr. Kanatoma? Thanks, Denim Labels, man. Glad you're a part of the show, dude. Hey, Richard Lamb. Wonderful to see you. It's just Zero said drink. Hey, Dave Jones. BG, good evening to you. No, Blockchain Bandit is not overlays. I can't make it happen. Damn, man, game. Oh, it feels so good. Bobby KT, man.
If anyone has seen Star Wars Worlds, please send him back to work. He took a leave saying he was going to save all crypto.
Is he still even the CEO anymore? I don't think he is. Like, I think they had another one and the new one stepped down. Probst, man, thanks for the 5950 freaking 8, man. Dallas Cowboy Probst, not UC Probst. Let's see, make sure. I can't remember. I don't even know if this is updated. Doesn't even seem like it, man. No, not even updated. Wiki's not even updated. Oh, here we go. This is their website. Yeah, he's still it. Yeah, okay. Wow. Who was it that just stepped down, man? Oh, it could have been the CEO of actual ATVI and not Blizzard. I don't even... I'm so confused. Who was that? He came on and talked about Diablo going to the Switch and then like stepped down like the next week. What am I talking about? What do y'all... Do y'all know what I'm saying? Did anyone else follow that? All that stuff that went down? My God, Bobby, man. Star Wars Worlds, there he is, dude. Hey, Star Wars Worlds, man. Star Wars Worlds, what happened, man? Did you do something on the conference call? What happened, dude? What have you done? Okay, man, UDR and such a powerful uptrend, but look at this crazy, crazy wedge. Continuing to run up. Go to the weekly if we want. UDR, that's for Philip, man. Just rallying, but look, man, weekly divergence is still there. It's still there. What huge green candle. Right? Huge green candle. And where are we? We are at a critical resistance, our previous all-time high. And we're going to plot the other. So I don't even know if we have it anymore. This is a lot of... Let's see what's on the daily, man. No, man, looking hot on the daily. Looking real good on the daily. Dang. But low volume on your run. Jeez. But until you really break this candle body close right here, $40.80, till you break that, you're not at all-time highs on the candle body close, all right? So not quite there, but you look, you pivoted off, you know, impulse down, and you're running back up. You might have a double top, and you're gonna have a serious amount of issues at the 75% trend line of the equidistant channel. So where you should have your alert set up, man, is breaking this $41.08 range. $41.08 is like pretty much your all-time high, or is it all-time high? Yeah, your all-time high, and it's breaking the a little bit higher than that all-time high is the 75% trend line. This is what we touched perfectly. Okay, before breaking down. So I mean, extremely bullish conditions. No one's gonna argue with that. But my God, man, this wedge, such a large wedge, man. Upsloping price contraction. You broke out with false breakout, but your weekly still showing bear stuff. Sorry, it's still showing it. And here's the thing, on the daily, if you start double topping like we just talked about, if you start double topping, your RSI will for sure probably start showing bearish divergence, right? So you're so close to it right now. Just a little bit more, and that bearish divergence will be very real. Look where your relative strength is compared to where it was, and you're at the same price, right? So no on the daily. Let's just see how next few days play out. We'll see if we can keep running. But we're back inside that wedge. Awesome. Cool, man. Have your alert set up, okay? See if we can break all-time highs on UDR. Phil wants ADA. Oh, poor ADA, right? It just it broke out and then it didn't. Make this a little bit more accurate. Perfect. There. Okay, so yep, nice run up, but we broke down and we're above the 200 and the 50 still, but crossed over that 20. Retrace wise, you got as low. I mean, you almost got a 30% retrace, probably like a 47% retrace. Okay, I don't know if we're gonna reverse our price action here. Guess what, man? Probably has something to do with Bitcoin. If Bitcoin wants to reverse its price action to the upside, sure, things probably gonna go with it. If not, no, not. And break down. Look at your golden cross happening, like so close to happening. How disappointing would it be if we don't continue this uptrend and we don't get a golden cross? How appropriate, a false breakout. Yes, a false breakout of this downsloping channel. Story of crypto's life, right? Over and over and over again. Hey, but we can't say we didn't warn you at these prices. Why? Bearish divergence and both oscillators. This is why we plot it. You see this red stuff. Now, we're not joking. Okay, this is right here. We tell you up here. Impending price action versus to the downside. We got it. To the extent of how low we go, unknown. All right. We do know there's common retraces, and we're in the middle of that. We're in the middle of the common retrace zone. From the swing low to swing high. That's it. But you are back inside the channel, not out of it. That's it. Yeah, get wrecked zero, man. Sorry, just scrolling through some chat, trying to keep it balanced, right? What's up about Solonal Free Television? Glad you made it. Star Wars World says he's sorry. Star Wars Worlds will forgive you this time, man. We'll forgive you this time, okay? Okay. What's up, Reza Rahimi? SRN is about to release their phone in December or something, and they have announced strategic token buybacks. Thoughts or tots? Reza, I don't know. We just looked at the chart. It was the first one we looked at. I don't know if you just pulled in, but just rewind a little bit on the, VOD VOD, and you'll see it. And we hit the top of a channel, and we failed to break it. Couldn't do it.
Thanks, mate. Only time I get to relax and watch. Clinking beer mugs.
Clinking beer mugs, indeed. Phil Centura, man. Thanks for the 618 contribution. Much love, man. Much freaking love, dude. Orange Crypto. I can put Shelf on the list, but it's Patreon night. We got some more coins to look at. I'm trying to get them as fast as possible. If I got time, I will. Just understand it's an amenity for joining the Patreon. One night a week, we let the Patreon pre-game, 30 minutes before the show together in the Discord voice chat, and people just let me know what they want, and they get it first, get priority. Gerardo Leon, thanks for the sub on YouTube videos, man. Welcome, dude. Yeah, likes are free. Yeah, if you're enjoying this live stream, these chart requests, hit that like button, that'd build us up. Thank you so much for being here. So about Brandon Green, right back at you. The love is mutual. Good. We would do much better if we just came to the dark side. You can tell it's the dark side for me, man. Okay. I don't know. Blue is like light side too, right? What happened, Mr. Cantemo? Oh my god, sorry, I'm just behind. Holy crap, my bad, y'all. I'm just trying to get, there's a decent amount of chat, so. Brad says his brain swears. It's true, man. My brain swears too. So Subliminal Free Television, good to see you. Where's Julia? Working. Stuck at work. Gosh dang work. Alright, we made it, dude. We made it. Alright, yeah. It's Take-Two time for 1G project. And people were talking about some sort of, in Discord, some sort of inverse head and shoulders, but man, I don't know. Oblong as crap. The high volume. This is wrong. Seriously wrong. Don't use TradingView's earnings stuff because it's normally really wrong. But either way, love how we bounced off the bottom of the equidistant channel on Take-Two. Oh my god, man. Just so perfectly. Had a really nice rally. How high did we get on our rally? Man, more than you could ask for, right? The rally ran up, swing high to swing low, hit over the 618, but I'm sorry, man. Earnings destroyed you. Activision destroyed. I'm sure many other video game companies got wrecked too. Glue, the microtransaction mobile gaming company, they did well, but I don't know how they held up today. Okay, with the big boys, okay, the market leaders getting wrecked. Okay, so I mean, I see what you might be saying, but dude, we're clearly lower. We don't know where the swing low. We haven't even created any kind of bullish reversal candle. The negative momentum has just begun to build on the 4 hour. There's plenty of room. We're just at 41 on the RSI. We could keep dumping tomorrow. It is unknown. I think this will continue possibly breaking down. But like, we don't know. So I can't attest to any kind of potential inverse head and shoulders, right? I see it. You're like left shoulder, head, right shoulder. We don't know. No idea. All right, look at this volume, man. Huge selling pressure. All right, so we broke this up. So the channel we had been in truly since like April this year, way out of it. Some sort of like, I don't know. See, it doesn't even make sense, right? So much chop, man. It's like you had something like this on both sides where you had a downsloping channel, anchor point 1, 2, 3, and 4, and then you just leave it alone, and look at you see the chop bounce back in, you false breakout, and you're back inside the channel that is downsloping. So you're like in a downtrend right now. Leave it alone like that. So I don't know, man. Until we find an actual swing low, or we start like bullish engulfing candle reversal, like we're seeing no green, we're seeing indecision today, or actually like not at all today. I guess we can go to the daily. So in the daily, still weird, right? We don't know. This could be, we could continue selling tomorrow, but we did hold off that 200 MA. But again, look at the daily volume, just so bad. It's so much higher than average. So we just have to wait for a little more data, but
okay chat, just so you know, Thursday night's game is every time Mitch says bearish divergence we drink. Prepare to get trapped. Thank you and screw you Mitch, twice in the same breath, man. Bearish divergence, bearish divergence. Much love, thanks brother.
Hey dude, it's just zero. Thanks for the 1618. I'm sorry, man. I gotta be careful about that. I can't be so reckless with my words. Okay, so I'll be mindful. I'll try to. If we have multiple levels of bearish divergence, I'll just say it once, okay? And I'll just say on both oscillators. All right. Does that help, man? I'm gonna do better. Thanks, brother, man. Whew. I don't even know, man. I think I'm out of beer, and all I have left is like some liquor. So, you know. But thanks, dude. But let's take two. Bradford, man, got anything to say, dude? You know, like, am I missing something on the inverse head and shoulders? You know, if this is what you're talking about, this little formation possibly. Okay. Anyway, let's go to GBTC. Probes was looking for this. Probes is Bobby Kotick tonight. As you can see, he is the boss. Good luck beating Bobby Kotick. That's not going to happen, alright? No one's beaten Bobby Kotick as expected. So, you know, here's the chart, Probes, man. I think we posted it in the Patreon chat or whatever, but like, beautiful falling wedge, very look at all the gaps, and that probably just has to do with lower volume on this exchange. Just look at this, man. Everywhere there are gaps. So you're right at that 50-day moving average. You just broke out of some sort of downsloping resistance. Beautiful looking wedge. 1, 2, 3, 4. Actually, not even, right? Not even 5 touch points. So it's not maybe even a valid falling wedge, but it is downsloping price contraction. So same psychology behind it. So we've broken out of it. Cool. But again, 50-day moving average, pretty significant, you know, resistance when there's low volume. And I think we just have an evening star, right here. So evening star gapped up, filled the gap, and now it seems like we might be reversing. This is a reversal pattern, seems like. So positive momentum on the daily, building higher highs, higher levels of positive momentum. Nice on the RSI too, but as you can see, a hope to God this is not any kind of foreshadowing of what the real Bitcoin chart's going to look like, because this area is where we are right now. We're like right here.
Love Mitch, let's get this Krydo mooned people mooned up.
Hey Star Wars World, thanks for the 10 Krydos. The Krydo credits. Is that what they use in Star Wars, man? Can I use Krydos for crypto? Let me know, dude. Thanks so much, man. Much love. But hey, look at that. You know, it's hilarious. Star Wars World's just attacked his boss, his superior, Bobby Kotick. Wow. Star Wars Worlds, you got a lot of gall attacking the boss that is Bobby. All right. Thanks, man. Thanks, dude. With this, pretty crazy here, dude. Let's see, from... Okay, here we go. Let's just do it like, let's take this, we're stealing that. You can see all that divergence we had. Bullish divergence, haha, get wrecked, dude. Bullish divergence, alright? On the MACD, and then we turned into bullish divergence on the RSI in the end. Yeah, but you gotta have a good eye for it. Gotta be able to recognize. Gotta be like Tom Brady, man, or Tua. What the heck, man? You see it? Low on price, then your lowest low. Higher levels of relative strength on the daily time scale coincide that with the bullish divergence on the MACD and Kings. All right. So that's it, man. So popped to the upside, but again, man, we're showing a bearish reversal pattern with that evening star, and not able to break the 50-day moving average. That's it. It's, we might just keep on down sloping, but maybe at some point we'll break to the upside. We might double bottom down here at $6.39. That'd be sweet. All right, there you go, probes, man. Now our dinosaur, the local dinosaur, the village dinosaur. All right, QKC. Some Quark Chain. Hey, Quark Chain. Oh my God. Hey, dude, dinosaur. Look at that.
Oh, would you look at this?
The bounce, man. We found the bullish divergence at the bottom of the upsloping support, the channel. Look what happened. Rode to the upside, and look, where are we? We're hitting that 25% trend line so well. Wow. Magic, dude. Magic, or is it just TA? Oh, God. So sweet, man. So freaking cool. Sorry, I need more Irwin coffee, man. I just I drank it too early. But look at the volume that came in too, man. Wow. We haven't seen volume like this since August. Extreme volume. Breaking out of the downsloping channel. Now we can bib relative to the situation, which is us looking for retraces from a swing high to a swing low. And looks like we're very close to 382. 800 sats. Got as high as 789, 790 sats. So 10 sats off the common retrace zone that we look for all the time after finding our major swing or our swing lows in general, right? Broke to the upside. So okay, that's it. So yeah, man, congratulations, Logo Dinosaur, man. Remember we talked about this? There it is, and here it is. I know for a fact we talked about low risk areas, coinciding variables with the low risk upsloping support with the divergence. Sorry, I'm kicking y'all's butt because I keep saying bullish divergence now. I haven't said the other in a minute, all right? So teasing y'all if you're looking to get drunk. Scroll through some chat now. Drink the liquor. Logo Dinosaur, give me a reason, man. Okay, because I, you know, just... Have people panicked yet? No, not yet, dude. Not yet. Its price to earning ratio is 148. My God, that PE, dude. Yeah, maybe. Coming in on Twitch says, hey, first time here. Do you mind going over some of your indicators, your trading style? I'm familiar with a lot of indicators that you have on, just interested in perspective. Yeah, so in here we do swing trading. We use significant time scales, 4 hour, 1 day, 1 week. Because when you have patterns that develop on those time scales, they're much more reliable. Okay. And then when we use patterns, we would coincide our patterns, supports, resistance, and we coincide that with our oscillators, our moving averages, volume. So, you know, I've got the RSI, I've got the MACD histogram, not the lines, got the equidistant channel, parallel channels, and we do our traditional patterns, right? Whether they're rising wedges, falling wedges, all of them, right? The Bulkowski arsenal. We use that if you're interested in learning about patterns. Take a look at Thomas Bulkowski, Thomas N. Bulkowski. Yeah, maybe. All right, so that's kind of what we do here. Okay. Yeah, thanks for being here. Hopefully, if you did enjoy, if you're enjoying the stream right now, you'll hit that follow button, man, and stick around for the technical analysis journey with us. Okay. Here twice a day, for the most part. Crouching hidden divergence. Yes, Mr. Cannon told me. Yes. God, I missed a lot of chat. Jeff says that Julia is at an Australian Trump rally. Kappa. Yeah, we'll do the Kappa. One spinning Kappa for each of you. All right. It's like the everlasting gobstopper, but for Kappas. Okay. Drink the liquor. Of course, 1G Project, man. Of course. Oh, yeah, you have to, well,
is that a joint?
Maybe that.
Drink the liquor, Mitch. I eat Roger Velociraptors for breakfast.
Veraco. What is a Veraco? I know it's Velociraptors, but Velociraptors for breakfast. Drink the liqueur. Cryptosaurus, man. Dude, I don't know, man. I don't know. I've got like probably 2 or 3 drinks of it. Okay, I don't know. I have to do something like, I don't know. We could fill up the jar to the 618 or something. If we do that, yeah, sure. All right, I gotta bring up some kind of criteria. All right, let's go to singles, man. All right, we just talked about the targets, the retrace zone. We're near it. We're at that 25% trend line of the equidistant channel. These are areas where, you know, you could stall out. You very well could. Or you start retracing anyway, maybe flag and then run again. All right, all the way up to 919, possibly. Not sure, man. All right, let's go to singles. Singles. The bearish divergence man himself. Correct. I was looking at this one, just like zooming out. Obviously, your momentum's shifting beautifully. You gotta love it. So I don't even know if I want to mess with this stuff. Okay, up here, this is insane volatility, dude. So like, keeping it simple, all right, keeping it very, very simple. We're just gonna go. See, like, what do you do? Is this a telegram? You know, like, what is that crap, dude? Okay, all right, we're looking at it that way. Now, let's try to see how it plays out if we look at it the other way. I don't see, nothing was overwhelmingly hot about that. Okay. Well, I like that. I like that one a lot more, right? See that 25% respect. Heartline, some heartline respect, right? Support, resistance, right? I'm digging this anchor point 1, 2, and then 3 and 4 on the bottom, and then get bonus touches on over here. So, all right, so well, literally that we are in a downtrend, certainly in a downtrend, right? But your momentum has shifted wonderfully, like we've done multiple times. Okay, man, let's use the stupid wicks. Yep. Yay, we can deal with stupid wicks. We'll look at the momentum shift. All right, you see that Momo shift? So nice. God. It is not rounding. That is not rounding at way too choppy to consider this rounding action, okay? Clearly that bottom trend line looking good. Ooh, I like that, man. Look at all the heartline respect you get. Can't sustain prices above it for long at all. You come up and touch it. So, not using that crap. Why would I use that, dude? So stupid. Doesn't make sense. All right. So more reasonable parameters. 3 anchor points on the bottom and 2 on the top. All right, you're just in an uptrend now. And guess what? If we're to fib from the major swing high, seriously, dude. Major swing high to swing low. On singles, we are failing to break above the 236 fib node, but we know our common retrace zone is between 382 and 618. We've been doing this on everything, man, like BAT. We did the same thing on BAT, where it's just like, okay, man, here we are in this channel. If we are shifting momentum and moving to the upside, we could retrace between 720 and 1002. All right. So there you go, man. Looking pretty solid, shifting to the upside, okay? So expect prices between 720 and 1002. Unless Bitcoin craps out, then who knows, okay? Bitcoin tanks, all bets are off, right? Completely. So we're just making this like perfect, okay? Trying to make it like pinpoint accurate. Alright. Got it, man. Okay, okay. What else? On singles, zero man. Let's see if we have any divergence so I can destroy you. Destroy you on your own coin request. How hilarious is that? Yep, yeah, you did have. Well, yes. No, that's convergence, bearish convergence. You had a lower candle body high close than your previous candle body high close. Crap. Maybe I'll just look for some random divergence. Dang it, you're just not getting any right now. No divergence right now. You lucked out, Zero. You lucked out. You lucked out. Next time, dude. Next chart. I got you, dude. Okay, ENJ, it seems now. Okay, ENJ. This is for Derek and Julia. Another beautiful downsloping channel, man. Anchor point 1 and 2 and 3 up here. 75% respect, perfect. 25% respect, pretty well. Look, I mean, you're perfect. Heartline resistance. All right, gotta love it. We are in a downtrend. Yes, been in a downtrend since the great FOMO of our time. So we started we shifted momentum. Got way too high too fast from a swing high to swing low. Hit your target, hit your 50% retrace, and since we hit that retrace, man, perfectly, we've not even been close to it. We're 2 blocks away, man. We're at the 236 now. Can't even break the 236, okay? Ascending broadening wedge. Which bearish. All right, you had legs, right? You had one leg, and then you legged up, and now you've since broken that leg. Okay, oh, great, man, great. So just going sideways now. Going sideways. So you got a triangle going on. You got price contraction. Good. At least we know that short-term target somewhere. Nice little triangle, man. Right? Nice little triangle. Big measure move. Jeez, man. 138 to the upside. $138 to the downside. My God, man. Where you could expect to go, breaking this triangle, whatever, man. That's it. That's all I got for you right now. Okay.
This chat is very demanding, but not showing their own grit. They want to see you drink, so I will take this hit. They better step up.
Sorry, Matt, man. Dude, I don't know about the echo. I'm gonna have to reach out to their support or something. Dude, thanks for the 35.93 of freaking crypto, man. This chat is very demanding, but not showing their grit, according to Matt. They want to see you drink, so you will take this hit, but they better step up. All right, y'all. Matt's challenging the world. All right. Thanks, man. Much love. Yeah, man. Again, big shout out to Matt. He is this month, he is the top contributor of cryptocurrency. All right. And Matt, thanks so much, dude. He's 16 different cryptocurrency contributions, like spread out, and then Mr. Schaffer is in 3rd place. But you know, he's got 3 different contributions, but still wonderful, like a lot. So Mr. Schaffer, thank you, man. And then Tits McTits is in a 3rd place, and then everyone else. Well, really, it's Matt Schaffer and Matt, both Matts, 1 and 2, and then everyone else. Whew. Thanks again, Matt. Let's go to BAT for Derek Samuel. Tanking further since our day stream, right? So we had divergence on both oscillators. Now it was more severe here, okay? broke down, but then we just rallied on up, and a scenario we discussed was us running up, touching the top of the channel again, but hitting the top of the channel, hitting this area. What is this? Why do we have these horizontal lines drawn? Is it for fun? Is it for the memes? No memes. 5574, 5800, look left. Oh, okay. Just previous serious resistances, previous highs. Okay. And we knew we just would not be able to sustain price above that. We'd be exhausted hitting it, and look what happened. Huge close and reverse. Just reversal in price action on very high volume. All right. That's Batman. But still in the parameters of the uptrend. Uptrend you've been in, like this new little, the new velocity of the uptrend you're in. October 15th it all started and just went nuts. Okay, Coinbase, rumors, listing, stuff, right? So there you go, man. All right, there you have it. All right, BAT, too easy, right? Looking at this stuff now. You had the breakout of the channel that you've been in since January or January, and you're below it now. You had it and you can't. You don't have it anymore. It's a false breakout. Okay, that's it. Sorry. Yeah, I know, but still, his scope of vision and accuracy is unparalleled in the college football game today. Yeah, I'm like, where's Prodigal Tars been, man? We miss him, dude. Right back at you, the dirt, man. Yeah, Mr. Magoo, Dow Jones weekly. No, what about the monthly bearish divergence, Mr. Magoo, man? How about that? Monthly bearish divergence. Why is the dollar still going up, Bob? It's in an uptrend right now. Somehow it's in that, oh, you know what, man? We can add the DXY to the list. I looked at it earlier today. Had a really nice green candle, powerful candle today. And guess what? Bitcoin correlates inverse, right? When the dollar goes up, Bitcoin goes down. Not looking good. All right, Star Wars Worlds, go ahead and put your number in chat, everyone. Don't call Star Wars Worlds, right? Still won't let you give bits, Sneaky Pete, man. That doesn't make sense. Can somebody test the bits on Twitch or something? Somebody? I know there's a 300 bit minimum or something. I think I took that off when you told me about it. What's up, Ibby Boxer, man? Latest on Bitcoin Cash. I mean, I can put it on the list, all right? It's tough, man. I know you got questions like that. I'm just looking at my small screen, and I've already missed the local on the 8s. I don't know, man. You're asking, what's my... I think the lead up to the hard fork, we've hit that lead up is the movement we got. And at this point, we could easily just keep on selling off, all right? Easily could. Okay, with Bitcoin showing a lot of weakness, falling out of that little teal channel we've been in. Ugh. Good God, man. Just lost all my chat. Jeez. Measure the wicks after the change. Zero, man. What is this in context to? Oh, you're talking about the singles. Yeah, just ridiculous. Star Wars World's just, it seems he just doxed Activision Blizzard. Hey Devin, man, what is this coin? Just look of a magnified ticker for you specifically. All right, I knew you'd ask, and I got you covered. Thanks for the 128 people tuned in. Jeez, man, missed a lot of chat. Start trying to get to this. Do we do the 888 fill? No, we're gonna do it right now. Sweet. Don't fold to peer pressure. Stay strong. Hey, Matt called y'all out. All right, Matt. That's sorry, man. I don't know. Here you are.
Bruce, man, it's the campers. 1,000 campers, man. Oh my god.
Dude, the lighting worked. Everything worked. Sneaky, sneaky, sneak. Thanks, Probes, man. 1,000 bits. I just don't get it, man. Don't understand. So sneaky, it might be on your end, dude. It might be on your end. And I just keep getting that echo. And if I turn off one thing... Man, it's just so weird. Like, what is it that makes my Streamlabs echo? I'm just looking, sorry. I mean, I know that people are just whatever. I still don't get it, man. Whatever, I'm screwed. I'm just eternally screwed. Alright, you know, holding above the 250 MA, but we're out of that channel now. So I don't know what to tell you. Got a nice spike in negative momentum after the bearish divergence played out. Okay, so man, we just had we broke out, false breakout, breakout with the divergence, the bearish divergence, and just huge move down at the false breakout. So going back to the daily, which I think is probably more important than this chart, than the 4 hour right now. I think just it makes more sense to look at this than the 4 hour. Because we have such lack of volatility. Look at this, dude. We broke down. And let's go to that daily. As you can see, as we discussed earlier in the show, all the touch points, we failed. Miserably. With a bearish engulfing candle on the daily, it sucks. Alright. Truly, truly sucks.
Sorry for the controversy. Sorry for the controversy, but squeal of Pittsburgh squealers. Go Bengals.
What is it? Matt, man, dude, thanks for the 7 and change, dude. 7 change of the Ethereum? Much love. He said, screw the Pittsburgh squealers. And he says, go Bengals. Isn't it Who Day? Isn't it the Bengals thing? Who Day? But they knocked it off from the Saints. Who Dat? Thanks, brother, man. Much, much love. Oh, bearish and golden candle. Still above the 20-day moving average, but whatever. And again, we could easily see with this kind of possible reversal, could easily see 6,300. All right. Echoey tips unsub. Yeah, it's only because it's only Streamlabs, so it's only the only time that happens is when someone tips me in crypto. That's it. You tip me in on Stream Elements, there's no echo. Yeah, Mr. Magoo, dude. Yeah, dude. Yeah, let's get a big round of applause for first off Jeb Bush. He won the House and the Senate by himself, and a big shout out to Brad Fisher for always keeping things together.
Please clap.
We did it. Also, Drizzt 2. I really do appreciate you too, Adam, man. Okay, yep, please clap. Rent-a-cow, please clap. Okay, man, okay, that's Bitcoin, great. I guess we just go ahead to Ripple. Because why not? Because everyone loves Ripple. I like Ripple. Global banking solution that had a nice breakout of a downtrend it had been since February. Imagine Ethereum doing something like this. Yeah, right, man. Yeah, right. Anyway, so Ripple, higher lows. It not making higher highs than these highs, but making higher highs than your previous highs.
Oh, it feels so good!
Oh my god.
Am overdue on the tip. Love the show. Phoenix Spirit Wisdom has taught me so much. Pay these man his money, Teddy KGB voice.
Pay that man his money. So ironic that we have a communist in the house. Aaron M, dude. You know, we're talking about CCCP probes, man. But Aaron M, dude. Thank you for the freaking $50, man. Are you kidding? Much love, man. Alright. Oh, dude, it means everything. And that support goes a long way, okay? You know, y'all are amazing. All y'all. Okay? Day in, day out. The support y'all show me is just overwhelming and humbling. And it's awesome, dude. Thank y'all. Zoom in. Luke says VET has officially retraced 99.89% of the way. He thinks we can call the low. You're all in, Luke. Are we? No way. Not on the US dollar pair. We have much further we could fall. I thought we were approaching the 786, or we were at the 786, right? But we did have bullish divergence and downsloping price contraction, right? The echo is lame. They got to get it together. What I could do, the problem is I could turn off my stream alert. And you could try it, but I don't think it's gonna work. I'm turning it off now, so next time if you do tip tonight, I want to see what happens. I don't know. Okay. Oh, it's so weird, dude. Diddy KGB, excellent spot, horrible Oreo cookie addict, wrecked him. That's right, man. OCN, America's #1 cryptocurrency, man. Don't you forget it, man. I like Ripple, Brian. I like Bitcoin. I like Binance. I like Monero. Thanks, Nippon Cowboy. Cowboy, are you also in Texas? We have a lot of wonderful people from Texas in our community. I freaking love that. Holding till March, or holding till match, Eric. Which one is it, match or March? Okay. Oh wow. All right, DGB BTC. So dumb, man. Alright, so here you are below entry. Unbelievable, dude. So pathetic. It's like you just got, look at this daily, man. You just can't get it together no matter what. DGB, man, just trash. Just downtrend, right? Like you had 1, 2, 3, but then you broke that. Right, you broke that upsloping support, right? Even here, here, broke it, right? So you just had like impulse down and then down sloping consolidation, okay? And then you've got some support back down at 298, 300 sats, could bounce there. But look, man, I mean, you got daily bullish divergence. You got even more now, really, even more bullish divergence on DGB. Yeah, seriously, even more. So don't lose hope, but now you're not really making it on the RSI, right? You're starting to, okay, lower lows, lower levels, relative strength, grows. But overall, from this low to this low, still, wherever we decide to bottom out at, you're going to be getting bullish divergence somewhere, okay? So whatever. What's it, man? Measured move of this falling wedge was at 464 sats. Didn't get the break we were looking for, okay? No volume, no demand, but my God, man. On significant time scales, divergence, bullish divergence, okay? There's your DGB. Whoever asked about it, was at the beginning of the show. We're done with all the Patreon requests. Okay, we did it. We did it. We're awesome. Hold on like 2 seconds. Okay. Okay. Cool, dude. Cool. PHX had that false breakout yesterday. Yeah, the false breakout and had candle body closes back inside the perimeters of the down sloping channel. We're now starting to run again, trying to. Bullish divergence made us break to the upside, but it was a lower high than the previous high because we were in a correction. Huge impulses like this, my God, man, the bleeding could last a long time if it ever recovers. Okay, we fell right back into this equidistant channel. Kind of expected. That's just insanity. Hit all the way up to like 1,000 sats. Hit 1,000 sats and then dumped, man, and been unable to make higher highs ever since. All right, that's it. That's literally it. Turning around right now, making a higher low, but again, I don't know if we're going to be making higher highs yet. Okay, have your alerts set up. Okay, if you really want to, alert set up at like 450 sats or something. Okay. Let's fib this jar real quick. Okay, because if we can get to a certain fib, yeah, man. Kings. Okay, we're at the 382 right now. We have hit the 382 on the JUR. As you can clearly see this yellow line. If the 618 was hit, 74 sats kappa. Yeah, man. Just take a shot or something. I don't know, dude. I don't have ice up here. I'll just drink a warm glass of whiskey neat. All right. I hope that helps on Phoenix or Red, not Phoenix. It is Phoenix, but it's Red Pulse Phoenix. Move on. Someone wanted Shopify. Oh my God, Shopify. You think it's so good, but maybe it's not. Why is it not? Because, dude, I guarantee you a bearish divergence. Let's see this bearish divergence, all right? Oh, there it is. There's the bearish divergence, man. There. Oh my God. High on price, higher high on price, lower levels of positive momentum. We'll see if it pans out. And we could run up a little bit more too. Easy. Let me show you on the daily what's going on. On the daily, man. Oh my God, just perfect. All right. So at an anchor point 1 and 2 on the bottom and 3 on the top, we ran up and had a false break out of it, and then right back down. Lower lows in your previous lows, lower lows in your previous lows, lower highs, now lower highs soon. Okay, probably hitting the 618 or 50% retrace right now. Swing out, a swing low. Make candle body close. Oh, yep, there's the 618. All right, we're at the 618. So after a huge impulse down, when you rally and retrace, you have a common retrace zone, and we are at the top of it, at the top of the channel. The positive momentum on the daily looks fantastic, though. It looks really, really good. It just keeps on building. But we know that 4 hour, and we know this downsloping. See what I'm talking about, dude? Hey, BATs 21186. Thanks for the follow on Twitch. The Jesus Man. Thank you, dude. Welcome. Glad you're here. What's up? So confused, man. I'm gonna exit out of that and see if that works. I don't even know. The one thing you think about would be the jar, but dude, that doesn't even make sense, man. Unless I have audio on for the jar? Would that be a thing? Ugh. That's maybe what it might be. I guess, right? I don't know, it's all foobarred right now. Foobarred. Damage done so bad that it's irreparable. So foobar's probably not it, because I think we could probably fix it at some point, somehow, some way. Just gotta figure out what it is. Okay, Shopify. You understand, we could easily at this point make an adjustment. If you do that, maybe there's more room to run on the daily. Makes sense. You make your adjustments. The false breakout was beautiful for us to understand how screwed we might have been, and yeah, that was it, dude. So we could keep going, but again, you're at the 618, so you closed below it on the daily. We know that's 618. Let's go to the dollar. Look at this rally, man. What's the rally? We broke out of a downtrend we've been in. Yes. Downtrend we've been in since January of 2017, right? We broke out, and then we back tested, false break back in, and now look at the rally. But I'm telling you, you better be careful. Well, I mean, look, man, we had the divergence that was bearish. Right, high on price, higher high on price. Your RSI is still bearish. Okay, RSI is still lower levels of relative strength every time we make higher highs. And even here, man. Rafael Liendo, thanks for the sub on YouTube. The Jizz, man. Welcome. Welcome. Oh yeah, by the way, we have a new boss, Aaron M. I didn't know that he was going to take out Bobby Kotick. Holy crap, final boss. We'll see if we can keep running. The price to beat is, I think, this upsloping trend line where we have failed to break it twice. Respect it. What is that, Ray? Let's go to the weekly so you can take a look, a gander at what that is. It's a well-respected uptrend, right? Well-respected trend line of the equidistant channel. At it again. Okay, look what happened last time. We couldn't break it. February 2009. Destroyed. So here we are again testing it. It's obviously some sort of respect here in some way, some capacity. So breaking it would be tremendous, but we have not done that yet. All right, and you better be really, really careful, because if you're looking at the weekly, bearish divergence is confirmed now. Positive momentum could continue building, sure, as high as it wants, but in the end, I believe you will have more bearish divergence on the weekly time scale for the dollar. Okay. All right. But again, yeah, you just broke out of this downsloping channel. Good for you, right? Good for you. And someone would call this a broadening top, which is a bullish continuation pattern. Been live for an hour and 30 minutes or so. Remember, if you're enjoying this live stream, hit that like button, that bell, thumbs up. Thanks so much. All right. Sweet. A Japanese cowboy. Okay. Interesting. Hey, nothing wrong with any kind of cowboy. Cowboys are, they are wranglers, right? Whatever. Drink zero, drank. Is everyone getting wrecked, man? Are y'all drunk in chat? Does this work, Bayats? Yeah, it works, man. Sorry, I just, you know, chat, I'm just behind. The triple drank call. Oh my God. You're big on XRP. That is how you found me. Love my TA. Thank you, Bayats, man. Bayates. B Yates. I think it's B Yates. Probably your first name, your last name is Yates. Doxed. Holy crap. Oh, fireworks? Yeah, man. Let's do some fireworks, man. Thank y'all for helping me get over the goal on 100 likes. All right. Again, y'all are amazing. The Chinese prefer their drinks warm. Oh, the Japanese don't like ice in their water. Did it, Matt. Got those fireworks up for you, man. Aaron says, take me out, Kangs and Quangs. What's up, Xbox One? Thanks for making it. Dude, Bradford, yeah, you're talking about room temperature beer. Might as well drink Natty Light because you already don't love yourself. Dude, I remember when I was a pledge in my fraternity in college, they would throw Milwaukee's Best in the dryer for a little bit to get it shaken up, and it was already room temperature, and then we had to chug it, all of it, and you could obviously guess that we vomited. So beerish divergence, right? Your boss move is the bearish harami. No clue what it is. You want to know what a bearish harami is? We'll find one real quick for you, okay? Easy, easy stuff. A good example of a bearish harami. So, bearish harami, not quite. There was possibly one. There's a bullish engulfing. I mean, like, this is a bearish harami. Anytime you have, and they call these bearish inside bars as well. It's another terminology for it. But essentially, it's just it's like inverse of a bullish or bearish engulfing candle. I wonder if I have an example on in my files when I was doing those before. Yeah. Here's a bullish harami. Okay, you have a one red candle, and then you have a the next candle is green, and the candle body is held within the parameters of the previous candle, and that is your bullish harami. It's a reversal pattern. Remember, don't be trading these patterns unless you understand the trend. Don't be trading candlestick patterns, and especially don't be trading them just on their own. Make sure you got a lot of coinciding variables at critical areas of support. That's very important, all right? Okay. Look right here, man. Technically, look, dude, here's a bullish harami. Okay? Bullish harami, and then look what happened after. On the weekly time scale. Closed within the parameters of the previous red candle. That's it, dude. And you had bullish divergence with the bullish harami, and RSI, bullish divergence on the weekly with the weekly bullish harami. Boom. Get wrecked, dude. Get wrecked. Oh, nice. I know y'all get to drink now because we're going to Bitcoin Cash. Bearish divergence on the MACD, bearish divergence on the RSI. Look right here. Look. Hit the 1272 with a bearish engulfing candle that reversed it all for now. Okay. Beautiful. What is that? What happened, man? What happened with Bitcoin Cash? I don't even know what's going on, man. It's like we broke out of a channel we've been in for so long, man. For most of the year. We broke out on high volume and then just stayed outside of it, never broke back down into it, giving the market the indication that this trend might be over. And so, yeah, staying out, we bottomed at that September double bottom, the 12th and 17th, and then ran. And what did we do? We had the bullish divergence on both oscillators at critical support, and then POW broke out finally. Wonderful. But then again, There you go. The oscillators were showing us what? You know it. I'll spare you this time. Okay. I wonder if we break down some more, hit around 542, and then rally and make ourselves have a beautiful potential head and shoulders pattern. That'd be cool. I mean, it would suck because you want Bitcoin Cash to just keep on running, but I mean, look, man, you're exhausted. And this is probably the lead up to that fork stuff. No telling what's going to happen now, okay? Large spike in negative momentum. This could just continue selling off, and it wouldn't be weird. It wouldn't be weird. Milwaukee. Malky. Malky, man. Hey Alexa, do you work for the globalist reptilian shadow cult?
I don't know that.
Mr. Cantomo, you might be mistaken. She doesn't know. She didn't say no, right? B8's, man, I'm not sure, man. That's the Wild West, dude. Nexo, it's a new coin. See, red flags already. New coin, dude. Not well established. You know, we are in a cash grab phase of crypto, despite all the nice, promising projects that are there. Few and far between, not many compared to how many exist. We are in a scam phase, huge scam phase. So just be careful with new coins, all right? They don't have any kind of like backup with reputation, partnerships. Those are big tellers, all right? Brian F says F. Did we F? Seriously? Not like that. F is what they say in IRL streams when the feed starts cutting out. She hesitated though. Yep. Luke, I agree. I'm onto her. I don't believe her. Right. You met all your exes on Alexis. Exit. Well, I thought I'd be enjoying a warm, tasty, neat beverage of Irish whiskey or Maker's Mark, but I guess not. I guess that's not happening. It's fine. But alright, what about, we've done a lot. Let me see, man. $17 charts done in this show? Hour and 40 minutes now? Or maybe a little less, hour and 30 something minutes. 17 charts analyzed tonight. All right. Hey, Bradford, have you ever played Edward 40 Hands? Has anyone ever played Edward 40 Hands? Pretty legendary drinking game. Holy crap. We just barely got over that 100 likes, right? We're at 102 likes now, 101 people watching. Man. Yeah, it's called neat. Yeah, Derek, yeah, I was saying that earlier. Drinking my whiskey neat. Yes. But it's not happening, so. We're at the 382 and we're not getting higher than that. All right. Any kind of uptrend you were in, you broke out of it. Okay, so know that. Doesn't look very valid, does it? Ugh. Alright. Not really at all. Hello? Busted, scuffed, parallel channel. Whatever. Alright. Whatever. You won Edward 40 hands at with Mickey's? Heck yeah, dude. I'm glad to hear that you beat the game then. Yeah, you win if you don't pee your pants. Mr. Cantoma, yes. Hey Alexa. Can a human being survive solely off beer?
I don't know that one.
No, and I think the answer is no, dude. No, no way. Alright. They are said to be SEC compliant, but where do we know, and how much money do they make? Are they going to try to replace money or cash? What kind of service and good? If they do provide a service and good, I got to see how much money they make. If they don't make any money, and they're new, it's just like, I don't, you know, it's all about the money, man. And if it's not, it's about replacing money or being an alternative like Bitcoin to money. All right. Edward, 750 liter hands. Jeez. Dude. Holy crap. Sweet. Dang, dude, you know Disney had studio revenue growth by 50% year over year. Thanks to Black Panther, Avengers, and Star Wars. That's why they've had such a nice pop, right? Yep. Good God, dude. All right. Oh wow, Dropbox had a raising guidance today. Strong revenue growth and margin expansion. Holy crap, Dropbox, y'all. Cloud storage, man. Crazy enough. Okay, so I guess 17 charts it is. Looks like I got them all just about, right? So, man, thank y'all for being here. Appreciate the contributions, the love, support. Thanks, Patreon, or patrons, for just, you know, supporting the team and me, because tips come and go, all right? And if you want me to keep coming back every day, showing your support's a good way to keep that rolling, right? So, I mean, I'm going to keep coming back as long as y'all keep coming back, right? So, I'll be back tomorrow for Friday. So, until next time, respect the T. Hey.